I traded larger position sizes today, and as you can tell from the chart behind me, it's gone pretty well. I am up $155 on the day. I want to preamble this video with my old bankroll management strategy. As you may or may not know, I do have just over a $25,000 account. I've actually just grown it over 26,000, but still just over that kind of PDT threshold. So I have to trade relatively small share size because I don't want a natural drawdown of my system to be able to take me back under PDT. So what I've always done before is I've traded a specific share size, say 50 shares of SPY, until I've gotten up $500. And then I've upped the share size and traded a larger share size from then, and I would go back to 50 if I kind of crossed back below that $500 in profit threshold. So I kind of used amount of money I was up as the threshold for when I would raise or lower how many shares of each trade that I took. But I have changed that bankroll management strategy, and that's what today's video is all about. So hit the like button if you're excited, hit the red subscribe button if you're new. Let's get into the live trade and the new bankroll management strategy. We are long. We are long at 396.57. This is not showing my trades. Show trades is turned on. What's the trick I learned? Change your time frame fixes it sometimes. Yes, there's my trade. We are sized up today. Once again, I am taking a slightly new bankroll management strategy since yesterday was so good. Yesterday was so good, so bullish for SPY, and I made a lot of money yesterday. Well, I made $170 yesterday. I didn't get rich by any sense of the imagination, but since I had a really good day yesterday, I'm sizing up today. Instead of trading 50 shares until I make money and then sizing up, I want to size up when I have a good day. I want to be able to catch the market, because this has happened to me now since I've started trading the algorithm here. It's happened to me almost every time. I make a bunch of money, then I size up, then the market condition changes. I make a bunch of money, so then I size up, then the market condition changes. It's like, well, yeah, by the time you trade that, by the time the market condition works for you for long enough, it's about time for it to change, right? So now I'm going to start, after I have a good day, I'm going to size up so that I can try to capitalize on the market condition while it's here, right? We got Quaid in the background hanging out. He's our good luck charm today. Quaid, we're sizing up. We could use a green trade here. First sized up trade. We could use it to be green. We're red right now. Oh no. We did start the day up $57 because of the overnight short strategy. We got short 25 shares at 397.67. Covered at open this morning at 395.5. So that was nice. But it looks like we're going to give some of it up here. SPY did, this is gap close reversal. It's unfortunate, but gap close reversal seems like the most free money. It's almost, I actually have tried to backtest this strategy. I just haven't found a way to get the code to work yet. Like I have my code entering at gap closes, but I'm working on getting it to only, because I only want to enter once. Right now, I can't make the code like just enter once. It'll enter like every time it gets there, which throws it off, obviously. But gap close reversals seem like such free money. It feels like every time SPY has a large enough gap down and then closes that gap, it reverses. At least a little. I'm not saying this will go all the way back to lows, but at least like this. Like you could cover here, right? You could get short at 397.7. You could cover 396. That's a point and a half. A point and 3/4. Right? Gap close reversal seems so free, man. I really need to continue working on that back test because if I can get that back test working and I can prove it works, then maybe that's something else I can add to my arsenal. But I can't trade it until I prove it works, right? Something I'll work on over the weekend. All right, well, we're down $45 in this trade. We're giving up the profits from the overnight short for now. At least we had that buffer going into the day, but we're still looking up here to sell for now. I need to fix that before that messes me up. My cancel button is supposed to be the bottom left. I almost hit flatten there. We're still looking to sell Up at the green line, obviously the highest point of the last 3 bars plus 10 cents is the green line. Lowest point of the last 3 bars minus 10 cents is the red line. Price channel with the 10-cent increment. Scared money don't make money. Hope you get to 500 shares by year end. Well, let's have a strong SPY, a market condition that continues to work for me, and maybe I will. Maybe I will. It's kind of dependent on the market condition, right? Like, I know the strategy works, but obviously, the strategy doesn't work great in all market conditions. Obviously, when SPY is weak, for the last couple of weeks, the strategy hasn't been working that great. Now, it still has been, the kicker there is it's still been outperforming buy and hold, which is important. You can't have a strategy that works really good in one market condition but gets crushed in another. Like, yes, this has not been, I've been losing money this last 2 weeks, but so has every long SPY strategy. I've been outperforming buy and hold still. That's important, right? You're gonna have market conditions that don't work well for your strategy. It's just gonna happen. But you can't have a strategy that, like, gets destroyed when the market condition shifts. Like, all right. We are down $27 now. We were down 50 at worst, or like 47 at worst. Oh. We're break even in the trade. Got back to our entrance here. Don't do the classic turn trays entrance into the resistance, please. 396.57 is your huge resistance on SPY right now, because that's where I entered. Sorry. I'm joking, obviously. Hopefully, you know I'm joking. But let's see. Come on, get over. Get up and over. Let's get green in this trade. We are... It really is. It really is turning 396.57 into resistance. Look at this. No way. Hey, we're green in the trade. It took you a second, but we got there, SPY. Let's go. Still no time to celebrate yet. Obviously, we're not out yet. Let's see. Hopefully, we had a really, really nice day of trading yesterday. SPY was really strong, obviously. Once again, that's why I sized up today. Hopefully, we get just another follow-through, really strong day on SPY again. I can trade 75 shares on a strong day on SPY today. Like I said, taking advantage of the market condition while it exists, rather than making money during a good market condition and then sizing up a month later after the market condition's already done, right? By the way, this is almost a sell now here at 397.04. Where the hell is my line? Okay, sell line is out now, just over 397. I'm taking here. Yes, I sold 6 cents early. I'm sorry, I apologize. I don't feel like risking the whole dollar being... Okay. I'm sorry I missed out on 6 cents there. I didn't feel like allowing that whole dollar to become resistance to look for 2 cents. I didn't feel like leaving my sell order at 397.02 was a good idea, just in case 397 turned into resistance. The likelihood of the whole dollar becoming resistance was too high for me to care about 6 more cents of profit. All right, so we made I think we made $20 in that trade. Wasn't a huge trade because we had to hold through some pain, but hey, what do we not do? We don't panic sell at lows. We were down like 50. We get the bounce back up and we get out where we're supposed to. Nice. First sized up trade is a win. See, now look, all of a sudden we are winning sized up trades. What's been my running joke for such a long time that, every time I size up, I start losing money. But it's a running joke, but it kind of makes sense, right? Because I was trading 50 shares. I was making good money. I got up $750, so it was time for me to size up. But if you trade for, if the market condition is there for that long, it's likely time for the market condition to shift, right? So it almost makes sense that, like, every time I size up, I start losing. Well, yeah, because the market condition's time to shift, right? Like, let's take advantage of the market condition while it's here.